In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Twitter to Hootsuite. Integrating social media platforms into a central management system like Hootsuite not only streamlines your digital marketing efforts, but can immensely amplify your online presence, making your social media management more efficient and less time-consuming. Today, we focus on adding your Twitter account to Hootsuite, a platform acclaimed for its ability to simplify the handling of numerous social media accounts through one dashboard. To start, navigate to the Hootsuite homepage. On the homepage, you'll see an option to log in. Click on that. Logging in might seem straightforward, but remember, this is your gateway to consolidating your social media management. It's crucial to ensure your Hootsuite account is secure, so always use a strong, unique password. Once you click on login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your Hootsuite account. This might seem like a minor detail, but it's essential for retrieving your account should you forget your password or encounter any issues. After you've entered your email, the next step is to type in your password. Here's a tip. Consider using a password manager if you have multiple accounts with complex passwords. Password managers not only store your passwords securely, but also generate strong passwords for you. After entering your password, click on the Sign In button to access your Hootsuite dashboard. Upon successful login, direct your attention to your profile. Here you'll see an option labeled Social Accounts and Teams. Clicking this opens a gateway to a more organized social media management experience. It allows you to manage both your personal and team social media accounts from one place. Within the social accounts section, you'll find the option for private accounts, another layer in ensuring your social spaces are well organized. Click on Private Account to proceed to add your Twitter to Hootsuite. It's about making sure that your work and personal social media landscapes are neatly compartmentalized. Now, for the meat of today's tutorial, adding your Twitter account, look for and click on the button or link that says Add an account to Hootsuite. This is the moment where Hootsuite's versatility starts to shine, offering you the simplicity of managing multiple social media platforms under one roof. After clicking Add an account, you'll see various social media platform options. Among these, locate and select Twitter. This is your next step towards integrating your Twitter with Hootsuite. The selection of Twitter is crucial as it signifies you granting Hootsuite the permission to manage your tweets, followers, and more, all within its dashboard. Once you've selected Twitter, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Twitter account. This step is very important. It's where you give Hootsuite permission to access your Twitter account. Click on Sign In, and you'll be taken to a page where Twitter asks you to authorize this access. Authorizing Hootsuite to access your Twitter account does more than just link the two platforms. It opens a realm of possibilities for managing your Twitter activity efficiently. You can schedule tweets, monitor mentions, and even analyze the performance of your tweets, all from within Hootsuite's comprehensive dashboard. Congratulations! By now you should have successfully added your Twitter account to Hootsuite. This integration marks a significant step in optimizing your social media workflow, allowing you to publish, monitor, and engage with your Twitter audience without having to constantly switch between tabs or platforms. Remember, the key to successful social media management is not just about posting regularly, but also engaging with your audience and analyzing the performance of your content. Hootsuite provides you with the tools to do all of this seamlessly for Twitter and your other social media platforms. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough on adding Twitter to Hootsuite. Whether you're managing a personal brand or a corporate account, the ability to streamline your social media activity is invaluable. If you found this tutorial helpful, stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your social media management strategy. Happy tweeting, and until next time, keep streamlining your social media management with Hootsuite.